People are so comfortable talking about gay people's lives. You haven't lived that life. You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it feels like being a gay person. You don't know about the struggles. People do not choose to be gay. A lot of people don't really understand what it feels like to be in a situation where you did not decide for yourself. Nobody, absolutely nobody on the face of the earth will decide to choose to be someone that literally everybody wants to send you to their so-called hell. Nobody wants to be abused. Nobody wants to be insulted. Nobody wants to be treated less than. I am a juicy, moisturized, hydrated, unbothered Igbo gay man. None of this will affect how I live my life. It takes a lot of guts and confidence and willpower and strength to withstand a lot of things that happens to someone that is gay that is trying to live their lives. A lot of you tend to say, oh, there are no gay people in my family. That would never be in my family. I don't have a gay brother. I don't have a gay cousin. I don't have a gay uncle. I don't have a lesbian mother. I am here to tell you, every family, extended family, has LGBTQIA plus individuals in them. Some of you, your fathers are gay men who decided to get married to your mother to conform and pretend. Some of you, your mothers are lesbians, but they got married to your fathers. Some of you, your cousins are gay. Your cousins are lesbians. Your uncles are gay. Your aunties are lesbians, and you don't know of it because they did not tell you. I will continue to be a juicy, sexy, glowy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered Igbo gay man. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.